Yeah, welcome once again to our maths and physics class. We are here, just like we promised the other time, we are going to start indical equations today. Before now, we have been dealing on laws of indices, and here we are going to apply those laws in solving these equations. Here we have equation. The first one we have 2 raised to power s equals to 8. How do we find the value of x in such equation? First of all, let us discuss what is an equation. An equation is gotten from the expressions that are on both sides of an equality sign. That is why they are called equations. And this is divided into two parts, the left hand side and the right hand side. The left hand side and the right hand side, they are equal. That is why you call them equal expressions or equations. So if they are so, it means that whatever is on the left hand side is equal to the one that is on the right hand side. If we're able to express this equation in their simplest form, we can get values of unknowns if they are included in the equation. So let us see how we can get the value of x from this equation. 2 raised to power x equals to 8. In indical equation, what we need to do is to find a way of expressing both the left hand side and the right hand side of the equation to bring them to the same base numbers, to bring them to the same foundation numbers. If we look now, the foundation number on the right hand side is 2 and the foundation number on the right hand side is 8. So they are not the same. There is nothing we can equate in this place for us to find the value of x. So what do we do? Let us see if we can express it to have the same base number or the same foundation number as 2, which is on the left hand side. If we look at the ones we have been dealing with in our previous classes, we can say that this 2 raised to power x is the same thing or equal to as 8, which is equivalent to 2 raised to power 3. So how is 2 raised to power 3 equals to 8? 2 raised to power 3 is equals to 8 because if you multiply 2 into 3 places, you will get 8. How? When you say 2 times 2 times 2, you see 2 in 3 places. That is 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 raised to power 3 is another way of expressing 8. So it means that this first level of this equation and the second level, they are just the same thing, only that we are expressing them in different base numbers, talking about the right hand side. If we get that one clear, let us move further. From indical equation, once you get to this point, what you now do is, as far as the base or the foundation numbers are equal, it also means or suggests that their power are also equal. So we can say, therefore, if 2 is equal to 2, it means that x is equal to 3. Therefore, s is equal to 3. So the value of s in this case is 3. So we can see that this is a very simple indical equation that we can solve without stress. Like what I said, when you are given indical equation, what you do is to find a way of expressing both the right hand side and the left hand side to have the same foundation number. And once they have the same foundation number, then you can equate their powers or their indices. Thank you for watching. Next time, we are going to also solve more questions. But before we do that, we are going to solve a second question under this video. Now look at the second question. It says 5 raised to power m is equal to 625. Like what I said in the first example that we just solved, we are going to look for a way to see if 625 can be expressed with 5 as the foundation number. Okay? Continuous practice has shown or proven that yes, 625 can be expressed in a number or as a number that is having 5 as foundation number. How? We can now bring this down. 5 raised to power m is equal to 625 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 4. How is this true? If you multiply 5 into 4 places, you are going to get 625. If you multiply 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, this and this will give us 25 times this and this will give us 25. 25 times 25 is equal to 625. So if that one is okay, then we can as well say, just like we said in the first example, that if the base numbers, the foundation numbers are equal, it means that the indices or the powers are also equal. So we can say therefore n is equal to 4. So it is simple to approach, but in our next examples, we are going to be looking at more complex numbers or more complex equations. These are just simple. We will start from the simple ones, then we'll move on to the hard ones. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video. Please comment, like, follow this page, and especially share this video for others to benefit if it has given you any benefit at all. Thanks for watching.